Hello everyone, welcome to Low Rent Rick Scale Modelling. The postman has been, so let's have a look what's in this box. This is the Airfix 172 scale D-Day Air Assault. Anyone that's been following the channel will know that I did the D-Day Battlefront diorama not long ago, and it's by far the favourite kit that I've done. So when researching what to do next, I wanted to go for another diorama. Another Airfix, so I couldn't find much description of what you actually get in the box, so let's have a look and see what we've got. So we have some RAF personnel. That is a Hawker Typhoon 1B. A fine selection of paints. Now anybody who, that's been getting some of these Airfix kits, love them or hate them. Oh, nice brush. Bit of poly cement. Sometimes you will find that these paints have been packaged for quite a long time, so it's always worth checking to make sure they haven't dried out. In fact, these ones look like they're in extremely good condition. Sometimes when you go to a model shop, the paint inside the box has been sat there for a good long while and has dried out, and although some of these are a little thick, it actually looks like I've got a really good set of paint there. Now, unlike the D-Day Battlefront instructions, the pictures on that one were in black and white. I'll stick a link in the description to the build. It's been quite a popular video on a really small channel. That one's up to about 11,000 views at the time of recording, so it's done really well. So I've got the Typhoon decals with the D-Day stripes, the invasion stripes. Excellent. There seems to be a real upturn in the quality of Airfix's instructions recently. They've become a lot clearer, and we've got some good colour shots. So we've got the support vehicles, standard Tilly light utility truck, and the Bedford MWC, and the diorama base with the paint guide for the RAF personnel as well. In colour, which is a great step forward. Two brushes. Okay, so the diorama base, quite basic as it is. Some opportunity for some texturing. Now they look quite shiny, but as I saw on the D-Day Battlefront, they actually take the paint really well. Got a bit of track work. It's quite a simple diorama. And this will be all the vehicles, the canopy there. Opportunity to do a bit of work on my material painting skills. So it looks like it's going to be a very busy weekend. But now I know what we get in the box. You often get a lot more personnel than you actually need with a few copies. So I probably won't be using all of these. But I do need a bit of practice painting figures. One or two of them have got a little bit of bleed, so there'll be I'll select what I need and do a little bit of sanding, but they do look quite detailed. I don't know whether the camera can pick those out. So the ones directly under my thumb have got like a halo around them, like they've had the ready break, but still not bad condition. Diorama is a little bit flimsy, but as you'd expect, I didn't have any trouble with the D-Day Battlefront one either. The vehicle sprues are in really good condition. Yeah, that looks really good. Actually, the quality's spot on. There's no overrun and no edges. In fact, that's probably one of the best quality Airfix sprues I've ever seen. That should make things a little easier. Now let's see if the Typhoon is the same. The last Typhoon I did, it was quite good quality. There's just one or two little bleeds, one or two little problems. Now again, this looks like new tooling to me. They are in absolutely fantastic condition. Very accurate. No bleed over. And actually, the plastic itself seems very robust. A lot tougher than it used to be. So that's really good to see. That looks like a new set to me. Hopefully the fit is good, because that'll be a pleasure to build. This the quality of this is reminiscent of the Edouard Spitfire that I did recently. Yeah, in that video I talk about the quality all the time of how good the sprues are. So these look like they're from the older kit, and the Typhoon and the vehicles look like they're newer. If anybody's got any information on that, please do pop some in the comments. I'm always interested to. It's not something I know much about, is new and old tooling. So if anybody does know anything about it, stick a link in the comments. So that's my weekend build sorted. Please do check out the D-Day Battlefront diorama that I did. I was really proud of it. The first diorama. The video got a lot of hits. I'd like to know what you think. Please leave a comment or a like. And when I've got the video complete at the weekend, I'll post it out. Thanks for joining me. Please have a look at our Facebook group. We're a very small group, but you'd all be welcome. It's called Scale Modeling for Everyone. Check it out. I'll put a link in the description. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.